Hey, what is going on guys? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a three-way Antutu benchmark comparison between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and the Xiaomi Mi 9. Each of these phones have different CPUs and GPUs. The Mate 20 Pro has the Kirin 980 CPU and the Mali G76 GPU. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has the Exynos 9820 CPU and also the Mali G76 GPU but with two more cores, and the Xiaomi Mi 9 has the Snapdragon 855 CPU with the Adreno 640 GPU. The Mate 20 Pro and the Mi 9 have 6GB of RAM and the Galaxy S10 Plus has 8GB of RAM. Now we're going to try and find out which one of these flagship phones scores the highest. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Mate 20 Pro finished first, then followed by the Mi 9 and a little later the Galaxy S10 Plus. The Mi 9 scored the highest point, followed by the Galaxy S10 Plus, then the Mate 20 Pro. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Mi 9 scored the highest for the CPU, GPU and UX, and then the Mate 20 Pro scored higher on the CPU than the Galaxy S10 Plus, but the Galaxy S10 Plus scored higher for the GPU and UX, and finally the Mate 20 Pro scored a little higher on the memory. The overall winner in terms of the points is the Xiaomi Mi 9, followed by the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and then the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So that wraps up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What were your thoughts? Do you own any of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I am planning to get the Huawei P30 Pro, so there will be camera comparisons, speed tests and benchmarks. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.